Crispy baked tofu tacos with avocado crema. These vegetarian tacos are bursting with flavor and texture. The tofu is baked until crispy, then topped with a creamy avocado crema and fresh vegetables. You can customize them with your favorite toppings. Ingredients: 4th tofu, ***. 1 block extra firm tofu, drained and pressed. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. For the avocado crema, ***. 1 ripe avocado, 1/4 cup sour cream, 1/4 cup lime juice, 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, salt and pepper to taste. For the tacos, ***. 6 small tortillas corn or flour, shredded cabbage, chopped tomatoes, sliced red onion, cilantro leaves. Instructions: preheat oven to 400 F2OC. Cut the tofu into bite-sized cubes. Toss with olive oil, chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Spread the tofu on a baking sheet in a single layer and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown and crispy. While the tofu is baking, prepare the avocado crema. In a blender or food processor, combine the avocado, sour cream, lime juice, cilantro, salt, and pepper. Blend until smooth. Warm the tortillas according to package instructions. Assemble the tacos by topping each tortilla with tofu, avocado crema, shredded cabbage, chopped tomatoes, red onion, and cilantro. Serve immediately and enjoy.